650.
Get out of here. That was on eco mode, by the way.
Yeah, I know. The Spark is not bad.
Oh wow. Ah. Long live the RaceChip, everyone. We have one more.
Does it have different maps?
Yeah, 3 different maps.
What map are you running on?
That was sport. The first one was eco. The next one will be race.
Yeah, do race.
Yeah.
How's your IETs and everything?
How's my what?
Your IETs?
It doesn't show. It just...
Don't show your damn IETs on there?
No, doesn't show me. Yeah.
Alright, well. I'd send it. You have meth on here or no?
No,
Oh,
no,
okay,
it's
well, it don't matter
93.
anyways.
Yeah. 93.
Bro, I think I'm gonna just send
Long
it.
live the RaceChip.
I think I'm gonna just send it.
They always dogging on me with the RaceChip, you know?
Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Make another pull. Just be careful.
Yeah. What's up, baby?
boy.
What's up, baby?
That was 500 right there, man.
Wow.
Who's next, Chris?
Okay, close to 4.
Hey, what did we say? Nah. Hey, that's a RaceChip and Intakes.
Exactly.
Why this whole time I thought you had the MVRP?
In your face, Paulie.
Damn, I thought you had the MVRP.
No, stock.